Respected dignitaries, panel of experts, and other participants of this webinar. I am extremely privileged to present before you regarding a water conservation project, namely Vattatha Uravakkai Jalasamruddhi, implemented in my constituency Kattakada. With the active participation of three-tier panchayat system, government departments, NGOs and public. I would like to recollect the election campaign during 2016 for the assembly elections. During the campaign, I have received a lot of complaints, grievances and petitions. Majority of them are related with water scarcity. I still remember the pathetic face of mothers, sisters, farmers and agriculture workers complaining about the worst situation they are experiencing over years. The situation in agriculture sector and drinking water sector was also the same. Paddy cultivation was limited to very small area. Almost all the drains and ponds starting drying up by the end of November itself. So we decided that our first and foremost priority will be to attain self-sufficiency in water. We were in total dilemma. How to begin? Where to begin? Really, the vision was so challenging. We sat together in Dwarka Auditorium in July 2016. Everyone who participated sharing their agonies. The availability of drinking water is in an alarming stage. We also realized that there is no ready-made solution for this. Then our discussions, researches and readings were focused in this issue. Almost all the courtesy tags and discussions automatically step into the water issues knowingly or unknowingly. The matter was brought to the notice of the district collector. Collector convened a series of meetings with the officers working in these fields. Elected people's representatives and government departments and other organizations responded very positively at all stages. Preparation of a scientific water resource management plan itself is a proud story of these people's movements. Kerala State Land Use Board took the lead. Kudumbashree workers, volunteers and MGNREGS workers collected the details on water-related problems in 122 wards. Now, we had a comprehensive document on water resources. Entire document, along with all maps, is available in website also. That is www.jalasamruddhi.com. Our mantra is to collect rainwater where it falls and replenish groundwater. Water literacy campaign on reduce and reuse of water was also organized. The role of youth needs special mention. Water clubs were formed in all 68 schools. Water parliaments and water assemblies led directly by students became national models.
A warm greetings to one and all. Myself, I am Alaina Jasmine Said and I completed my plus 2 at DVM NNM HSS Marnallur, Kattakada. And I would like to say how students of school involved in the activities of Jalasamruddhi project. My state Kerala is prospered with water. My state is rich in the matter of pure water reservoirs and water conservatives. Kattakada is a small place of Kerala that is my homeland and I feel proud of it. I honor to be a part of my land, that is, it become an embodiment to this world in the path of water conservation. As a student who delegates the new era, I am surprised about the activities of Katakada area. Within the pace of activities of water conservation of Katakada, water conservation activities were conducted with the unity of students. We conducted seminars and awareness classes with the help of NSS unit and water club. Sri IB Satish MLA of our Katagada constituency was the first who helped us and encouraged us as we stand for the future generation. Also, we conducted student parliament, which was a water parliament, and it helped vehemently to set up pits for rainwater at school level and houses for the students. And also it indeed grant a lot of to clean dirty canals and pools under NSS activities and water club. We also collected water from wells of the students, houses and schools, and it was checked with the help of groundwater authority. And also we conducted some study tours which is based on various water reservoirs, and also we conducted vacation awareness classes. I feel proud of my land to become the embodiment of the world, and I am concluding my words. So we shall pledge that we should keep up our water reservoirs to get back. Thank you.
District administration and three-tier panchayats were very active with the people in this water conservation drive. A variety of water conservation activities have been implemented, including artificial recharging in institutions, new farm ponds, regeneration of streams and ponds, revival of paddy lands, innovative models of water conservation, etc. Some of the activities will be presented by the Grama Panchayat presidents. Water quality testing was done in all wards with the help of Grama Panchayats and various departments including student community. There exist 287 kilometers of streams in the constituency from 1st to 5th order. Majority of the streams where temporarily check dams are constructed for regulating the flow of water. Has tuned perennial. More than 43,000 wells are the important sources in the constituency. Water augmentation was successful in increasing groundwater availability. Well recharging through rainwater harvesting widens the aquifer around existing wells and enrich the water sources. Artificial recharging was completed in all public institutions. We are proud to inform that Katakada is the first constituency to complete the artificial recharging in all public institutions. Construction of 327 new farm ponds has strengthened the groundwater aquifer. With undulating terrain and high drainage density, farm ponds was suggested as a best option. We adopted it. This has shown positive results. Innovative location specific activities had produced good results. Of the 152 blocks in the state, the number of safe blocks has dropped from 130 to 118 in the last 5 years. At the same time, Nema block, which is part of the constituency, has moved from semi-critical to safe zone. Studies show that groundwater level has improved over the last 3 years. People themselves testify that the water level in their wells has improved. Katakada Jalasamriddhi proved that water resources development is not possible with standalone programs. Resources become endless when departments and local self-government institutions come together in a harmonious way. The leadership of local self-government is an important factor in success. The role of technical committee headed by the district collector is commendable. We, Team Jalasamarthi, is really proud to inform you that in the fourth edition of the World Reconstruction Conference held in Geneva during May 2019, Kattakada Jalasamarthi was introduced as a noble, integrated model of water conservation by Paul van Meel, team leader of Dutch Risk Reduction Team. Kattakada Jalasamarthi was implemented during last 4 years with the technical and financial support of different agencies. Now it is a self-speaking model of convergence. Convergence of activities is made possible. Convergence of departments is also made possible. This helps to achieve maximum results. Before I conclude, I request the esteemed panel of experts and participants to express your views and suggestions so that fine tuning can be done in future. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thank you.